Hello there. Yeah, this is Freelancer Ian. I'm glad to be sharing to you today a topic about introduction to online working in Kenya. Yeah, this is courtesy of Smart Online Worker. Yeah, Smart Online Worker is a community that brings together online workers from different parts of the world. Yeah, and we are basically about to encourage one another, to share one another, to help beginners be able to navigate through the various online working platforms. Yeah, and we'll also be demystifying some facts about online working. Yeah, so subscribe to this channel, share our videos so that they can reach many people out there, so that we can be able to impact more people who will join this community, so that we can share with one another and grow with one another. So yeah, today I want to introduce about online introduction to online working in Kenya. Yeah, the topic is about understanding online working in a detailed approach by Smart Online Worker. Yeah, so that's the table of contents. We have introduction to online working. Then the second thing we shall discuss is illustration of online working. Then the third thing we shall discuss is about the categories of online working. So first, yeah, let's start with introduction to online working. Basically, online working is any job where you can work from home. Yeah, you are not limited to working in the office setups, neither are you limited to clients in your geographical location. Yeah, this is what online working, it gives you the freedom to work from anywhere. You can work from your home, from your workstation, from any position. It doesn't matter that it's not a must you be in the same place where your client is. You just need to get the order that the client, the task that the client wants you to do. Yeah, and from that you can be able to proceed on from any part of the world. The basic needs that you'll need for this is a computer. You will also need to have an internet connection. Yeah, all this, yes, plus also a payment gateway. This will help you to be able to, yeah, the platform where the clients will be paying you from. Yeah, online working features a variety of fields such as writing, customer services, programming, accounting. You also have translation. There are a lot. There are a lot of things that entail online working, and you can partake in one of these. Yeah, the concept of online working has been gaining a lot of popularity with sharp increase of activities on the internet. Yeah, this is especially because most companies are sourcing their their task force from the internet. Also that most companies is preferring more remote workers. This has made online working now to be a very great phenomenon, and it is predicted that in the next years to come, more than 50% of people will be working from their homes. So this is the best time to join the online working and learn about it, so that even when clients will be looking for people to hire from different online platforms, yeah, you'll be able to take the advantage. Yeah, let's also dig into understanding better about online working. Basically, online working is getting paid, looking for jobs, working and getting paid online. Thus, online working ranges on a variety of major areas such that there will always be new areas emerging that requires more online workers. Yeah, you cannot predict the future. You don't know which technologies are going to emerge in the future. So there will always be a need for online workers. There will always be more work to do. In fact, currently there are many clients that are seeking for online workers, but the fact is that the the number of people that are working online cannot meet this high number. Yeah, so one common term that you'll find when you come to do with online working is, yeah, common terms used to refer to those that work online are freelancers or online workers. Yeah, you'll mostly hear the term freelancing, freelancers. Yeah, basically a freelancer is a person who is not attached to any organization. The the freelancer has his own choice. He has the choice of the company that he wants to work with. He also determines the pay, like their hourly pays. You can also get the fixed pay per task. So the next thing is, yeah, here is an illustration of online working. Yeah, so the first thing is that you get trained or self-teach yourself. Yeah, there are a lot of materials in the internet that can help you to be able to train yourself. You can also enroll to various courses and get trained. Then the next thing is to specialize in a field. Yeah, you can venture into programming, writing, transcription, or even digital marketing. Then after now you are sure of the field that you are going to join. Now the next step is to create accounts. Yeah, you can create accounts on a variety of platforms. We have platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancers. Yeah, all these are websites where you can be able to get jobs. These are platforms where clients post jobs and you can be able to apply for any of these jobs. Then the next thing is to look for clients. Yeah, this part entails customizing your account so that you can be able to attract more clients, so that you can be able to get more clients coming requesting for your services. Then the that the yeah, after now you look for a client. Let's say some after some weeks you'll be able to get a client. Now the next thing is to meet the expectations of the client. Yeah, this is a must. This is very important to ensure that you meet the expectations of the client. Then after that you get paid. But one thing is that you cannot get paid if you don't meet the expectations of the client. Yeah, so these are the categories of online working. Comprises of a variety of fields. These are just the examples that I've listed. Yeah, we have writing, we have translation. Yeah, we also have virtual assistant. Basically, virtual assistant is where you help a client to schedule calls. Like you are like a secretary to this client. The only difference is that you are not in the same place where the client is. You can be in another country and the client is in another country. So you have to respond to their emails, you have to schedule their calls. Another thing is web developing. It is also part of online working. You also have transcription. Yeah, transcription is the activity of converting text to audio files. Yeah, we also have editing and proofreading, graphic design, logo and flyer editing. Yeah, these are the common categories of online working. And there are a lot of activities. Some are emerging day after day. When new technologies are being introduced, we find that yeah, people are getting more and more opportunities to be able to practice where they need online workers. Yeah, so that's the end of that tutorial. Yeah, so the the carry home is that we have discussed about online working. So yeah, you can subscribe to this channel, Smart Online Worker, so that you can be able to learn more about online working. Yeah, so that you can be able to know how you will be able to grow yourself as an online worker. And yeah, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Yeah, let's meet in the next video. Yeah, my name is Freelancer Ian. I hope to see you next time. Yeah, thank you.